How to fix Webtoon app not working. Hello guys. So if you want to fix your Webtoon app, this video is gonna help you. First thing, go to settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. Sorry. As we said, when you open the apps, go to the Webtoon here. Click on force stop to stop the app and then go to the data usage and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data especially are enabled. Go back, click on storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache and clear data. After that, go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Webtoon and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.